Sluggish.
Yeah, what's the meaning of sluggish? Well, I can understand that.
Are you inventing words?
What's the use of dictionary if you don't look at that?
What's this dictionary if you can say that to me?
Yeah.
Huh?
What are you fighting for?
Stop! Yeah, stop that.
Ma'am Kabling.
Yeah, yeah.
Stop
Make it
that.
colorful. And that's sluggish.
Sluggish mean, you know, it's
Slug.
It's like being slug.
Slug. Very slug.
Yeah, it's being, it's the
I have something to tell you right now. Your nose. What's in your nose?
Don't change the topic.
Rubik's Cube!
Tell us what is the meaning of sluggish.
It's the status of being slug.
What's slug?
Slug means, you know,
Status of
the
being single.